Every day, millions of citizens across rural India walk millions to physical bank branches simply because our digital applications speak language of technical complexity they don't understand. India's digital revolution is booming. Yet a massive 65% of our population faces a several digital adoption barrier driven by complex interfaces and a constant fear of remote access scam. My name is Tejaswini Vittal Rahunde, and to bridge this trust gap for the next 200 million users, I built Aegis Banking AI. Aegis is an autonomous, multi agent banking companion integrated directly over the banking layer. Instead of traditional static menus, Aegis utilizes a specialized framework, a UX morphixed agent, to dynamically simplify interfaces, a Guardian Shield agent to intercept background fraud in a real time, and a native language wealth navigator agent to drive financial inclusion. Let's look at the live application. When an elderly user logs in, they are usually overwhelmed by options. Watch what happened here. The UX morphs senses hesitations or tap errors and automatically morphs the interface into this. An ultra clean, voice first, large button layout. The user can simply tap the mic and say a command in their native dialect. Send 500 rupees to my son. Behind the scenes, the Whisper API translates the speech and our local Aegis SLMs securely process the intent without risking data privacy. But simplicity means nothing without absolute safety. While this transaction is active, the Guardian Shield runs quietly in the background. It actively checks for the environmental threats if the scammer is on a live versioning call with the user, or if a remote screening sharing app like AnyDex is detected. Agix instantly frees the transaction window, locking the funds and playing a clear voice warning. We stop the fraud before it happens. For the State Bank of India, Aegis Banking AI delivers an immediate triple win strategy. First, it drives drastic customer acquisition cost reduction by moving branch level onboarding support to automated conversational AI. Second, it completely eliminates fraud liabilities at the user end, protecting the bank's reputation. And finally, by the offering personalized local advice, it actively cross sells micro insurance and micro SIP investment assets directly to the rural middle class. Agix AI takes the intimidation out of the technology and puts trust back into a digital banking. Let's make the financial ecosystem safe, accessible, and inclusive for every single citizen. The complete source code, technical documentation, and step up guides are fully documented in my GitHub repository. Thank you for your time, and I am now open to your questions.